PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable AC maintenance in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania to keep cooling systems running smoothly. Our technicians inspect, clean, and tune components to help improve performance and reduce breakdowns. Regular AC maintenance helps extend system life and keeps your home comfortable during warm Swarthmore summers. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning checks refrigerant levels, cleans coils, replaces filters, and identifies minor issues before they turn into costly repairs. Contact us now to book your AC maintenance appointment. Are you looking for a AC maintenance service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is AC maintenance? AC maintenance is a routine HVAC service that includes inspection, cleaning, filter replacement, and tune-up of your air conditioning system to improve cooling performance, efficiency, airflow, and prevent costly repairs. Why is regular AC maintenance important? Regular AC maintenance keeps your HVAC system running efficiently, improves cooling performance, lowers energy costs, prevents unexpected repairs, extends unit lifespan, and helps maintain clean airflow and comfort. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our AC maintenance service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania AC maintenance service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.